Well, good day, this is Jilly Cube and I'm doing an acrylic pour for you today. This is called a swipe technique. So I've just put a white base coat down there of acrylic paint that's mixed with pouring medium, and I'm layering these beautiful metallic colours. So I've actually layered a mink colour, and I've layered a metallic copper, and now this other colour is called blazing cloud. It's kind of a dirty orange, and then there is another sort of yellowy orange called wicker, and it's quite a fun and always a surprising technique. So it's just layering your colours as you see I'm doing there, and that one is a berry delicious, like a really deep purple colour that I custom make. That's kind of really going for it here. But you'll watch this develop and it's so much fun, and if you have not give acrylic pouring a go, then it is a definite must. So the dark colour there is black, and I'm using a soft plastic file divider to give it a swipe. Now it does look, like you've lost all of those lovely colours under that black swipe, but they certainly will be revealed in the further techniques that I do on this. So all those colours are underneath there, and just watch how I reveal them all. So if you're anybody that follows my work or knows me, you will know that balloon kissing is my absolute signature style and my favourite. It can just change a whole piece of art completely different. You can kiss the balloon as you press it down, it makes a kissing sound like that, or you can roll it, see, and make those lovely feathery or leafy effects. It just is a really lovely pastime, and it definitely is what I call art therapy. So if you haven't given it a go, please do so. All of the instructions and pouring medium recipe, meaning what I put into acrylic paint to make it fluid, is all up on my YouTube channel. Look in the beginners playlist and you'll find everything you need to know. So this one I truly love because all of those colours are now showing their face. Enjoy.